When I go traveling, the number one thing I'm focusing on is enjoying my trip. So I'm not always thinking about the story I'm going to tell through video. Unless you're planning your shots all beforehand, my guess is most of you, especially all you daily vloggers out there, shoot in this way too. With this kind of spur-of-the-moment shooting, there's more of a chance that you'll look at your video clips after and feel like the story being told is a bit all over the place.
Yeah, from there, you see.
The screen cave is. When these video clips that were filmed at different times are simply edited together back to back, as you've just seen, the story being told just seems to jump forward with nothing much to really tie everything together. That's where music can come handy. Music has a way of making viewers feel like your video clips are more connected. But that doesn't mean you should just edit all your videos together back to back and simply lay a music track underneath it all. I'm gonna show you how you're supposed to do it. And the most basic way to edit music is to use the beat of your music as the video clip's starting and ending points. So let's try that out. First, let's bring in my music track. Let's find the first beat of the most climactic part of the song, because that's where I want to start editing in my series of video clips. It looks like this part could be it because the waveform of the song here looks fuller. Yep, that's the part. Now I just need to find the first beat. Right there. Right there. When I scan through my timeline frame by frame, I can hear where the beat starts. So that's where I want my series of videos to start as well. Just so I don't lose this position, I'm going to leave a marker right here. For a lot of video editing softwares, pressing the M key is a quick way to do this. Now I need to find the next beat where my first clip will end and my second clip will start. And to give my viewers enough time to understand what's going on in each of my video clips, rather than cutting the clip at the second, third, or fourth beat of the first bar or measure of music, I'm going to cut it at the first beat of the second bar or measure of music. I'm going to do the same for the rest of my video clips. 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, let's see if I've put my markers on beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1. That's great. Now let's fit our video clips inside these markers. Alright, let's see how this all looks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm just gonna clean this up a bit. Let's see how the whole thing flows into one another. Good morning!
Hey y'all.
We are just at a bakery having our breakfast. We're gonna eat these real quick and then we're gonna head over to the tour company because today we have a boat trip going around the island of Viz. That's how easy it can be to edit your video clips to music. Did you all find this tutorial helpful? Did you have some questions? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.